Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this set of two 23-inch vintage, kind of like elegant looking lamps that this brand sent to me for this video. I have one that is turned on and I have one that is turned off so you can see the details better. I'm going to turn off the lights in just a little bit so you can see this one better as well. But the bottom line is that these ones are 23-inch. These are golden accent lamps, and you're going to have a minimum assemble of probably 10 minutes per lamp. I think it's no more than that, 10 minutes. And it's super easy and it's self-explanatory, but I have the instructions as well. I do like this vase. It's not super heavy though, but it comes with kind of like a fabric right here. So it will protect your furniture or that glass top or the wooden nightstand or something like that. It will protect it. Everything is kind of like goldish. I do like that. And of course, you can just like turn it on and off with just like this button over here, which I think it is kind of like cool. But if you have one of those smart lamps, that's gonna be much better. Let's turn off the lights now. Okay, what do you think about this? Much better now. So you can see the details of this one that is off, so you can see how it looks when it's off, and this one when it's on. I will pair this one with a cozy yellow light like this one that I have right now, not the white one, not the cold one, because the effect is not gonna be the same. You know, the light that is coming down is actually gonna be better if it's kind of like goldish as well. It comes with a 6-foot cable, so I think it's more than decent for just like a nightstand lamp. But of course, everything is gonna depend when you put this one. I like them. These are really nice, 23-inch, easy assembled. They come in two, and they look really nice and elegant or kind of like vintage looking. I do like them, and I do recommend them.